Imagine sitting down ready to watch your favorite show, but your MacBook Air won't let you stream Netflix. It's super frustrating, right? But don't worry, I got you covered with simple steps to fix that. So first, you're going to make sure that you have the latest version of Mac OS, okay? Sometimes an outdated system can cause issues. Next, you're going to check your internet connection. If it's weak, Netflix might not load properly. Then, try using Safari for a smoother streaming experience. It works better with Netflix. If that doesn't work, you can download the Netflix app from the App Store for a more reliable connection. Lastly, if you're still having trouble, try clearing your browser's cache or restarting your MacBook Air, okay? Now, with these easy steps, you're going to be watching Netflix in no time. So it's time to relax, enjoy your favorite shows. If you found this helpful, if it worked for you, let me know in the comments. Like, subscribe. Thanks for being here. Love you. Ciao.